Thank you for purchasing Engdenton Faucet Mount Purifier. Now we are going to show you how to install our product. Our faucet filter fits standard faucets. It can work with the most popular standard faucets. Before purchasing, please check your faucet type and make sure it fits the faucet purifier. For faucets with interior aerator, please take out the cache aerator before installation, or it cannot fit the purifier. The following faucets does not fit our purifier. 1. Pull-out or pull-down faucet. 2. Spray-style faucet. 3. Faucets with unconventional spout. 4. Sensor faucet. 5. External threaded faucet whose thread is less than 0.14 inch. Metric 3.5 mm. Please double-check your faucet before purchasing. Now we begin to install the faucet purifier. Unscrew the top cover. Take out the filter cartridge. Remove the wrap. Insert the cartridge to the base tightly. Screw the top cover. Remove the aerator from the faucet. Identify what kind of thread it is, external or internal. For external threaded faucet, most external threaded faucet matches our faucet purifier. Please attach the purifier to the faucet. If the external threaded faucet does not match, please install an internal threaded adapter. For internal threaded faucet, please install an external threaded adapter. Some standard adapters are included in the faucet purifier. If you need non-standard adapters, please purchase at the nearby tools stores or Amazon. It is suggested to wrap the Teflon tape on the faucet to avoid leakage. Please apply a correct washer during installation. If it leaks, apply one more washer, which you can get from the original aerator. Screw the mounting nut on the faucet or on the adapter. Do screw tightly. Everything is ready now. Turn on the faucet. Switch the valve to get tap water or purified water. Adjust the angle as you wish. Please do flush the filter for 1 minute before using. Now you can get a clean and crisp water at any time. Our product is made of stainless steel, sturdy and durable. No need to worry about leakage. We use the latest ASIN tech, which can reduce water sediment and chlorine and improve taste significantly. The high water flow exempts you from long time waiting. Let's make a test to show the ASIN tech filtration effect. It is obvious that our faucet purifier greatly reduces the residential chlorine and protects your drinking water. Engdenton, protect your drinking water.